At Rushen Abbey we have a wide range of naturalistic garden planting. Everything from native flower-rich grassland through to designed ecological garden plant communities grown from seed. This is a seed mix I designed. The aim is to create a mix with a long flowering season that is halfway between a herbaceous border and a native meadow. It has been oversown with slender annuals that won't shade the slower growing perennials to provide first season colour for this year. If you want to sow a meadow at home, I would recommend going for 100% wildflower mix without meadow grasses. Average garden soils may be quite fertile, which means the grasses would dominate at the expense of flowers. Also, the soil will contain thousands of weed seeds, so to establish a perennial meadow, you may have more success if you sow onto a layer of peat-free compost or sharp sand to reduce weed seed germination. This pre-sowing mulch needs to be at least 7 centimetres deep to work.